Captiva Island. This is the rock division. That side is the South Seas Beach. This is more like a fishing area. You're not really supposed to swim or walk right here. You can walk if it's supposed to be fishing. You're not really supposed to hang out right here. It's not really supposed to be beach access, but people are fishing, and so I'm gonna look at the shows. They really want people to stay on that side of the rocks, but I want to see what the side looks like. I've walked this numerous times without an issue. I think as long as you don't set up these chairs and hang out, they're not really gonna care. It's a charter fishing company right there. As you can see, the water's getting a little more choppy. This year than there was 11 years ago. But they do have a golf course that you can schedule a time between 8 a.m. and 2:30. Those are the current hours. I don't know if that's just abbreviated hours because of COVID or if that's their normal. But it's part of the resort. There is a resort fee. I think it's like $60 a day. You get these wristbands. You get to use all the hotel amenities. Like the pool is kind of like you have to go through a gate to get to it, so that I guess prevents people who are not paying for resort amenity, because remember, you can still stay here. You can, for like private owner, you can rent through, you don't have to rent through South Seas, you can rent through like the private owner condos, but then you don't get to use the hotel amenities unless you pay extra. So that's what we did 11 years ago. We rented a condo from someone, and we did not use the hotel amenities. You can still have a great time without using the hotel amenities if you're not really into the pools or whatever. And that's what we did 11 years ago. But this time we got a good deal, so we paid for the hotel amenities. Look, there is a show line right there. Very nice. So I think that means the tide is a little higher. Hold on, let me put my showing bucket down. It's getting a little heavy on my arm. Shell. Ooh, look at that bird right behind Robert. Robert, did you see that bird right next to you? He was right. He is as tall as you. A big bird who wants your fish. He wants your fish. That's pretty cool. August 1st, 2020. Lots and lots of shows.